Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave with Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on beyond.spruceindustries.com. And the first thing I want you to do is just close your eyes and imagine that you're in a corporate bathroom in an office building somewhere and not the bathroom in the basement of my home. Now you're watching this video because you've purchased a solo backpack sprayer system. Now you've already watched the video on how to set the machine up, but let's take it a step further. Let's use the two-step cleaning method and first clean the entire bathroom and then go through and use the solo backpack sprayer to disinfect. Okay, so now step one is complete. We've now cleaned the bathroom and my wife is a happy camper. Now it's time to move on to the disinfecting side of things. So you have your machine, it's already set up because you watched the video previous to this one, and now we have a pail of ACE 256, and we have a pail pump for the ACE 256. So in some circumstances, the pail pump is just a little too long, so I would recommend using some snips and taking off about an inch or so. Next, we're gonna have to break the seal on the pail. So on top here, you're gonna unscrew the lid, and there's a tab that's usually in here. You would pull the tab out. I've already done that. And we're going to put the pump in and secure it down. Just know that each one of these pumps is 1 ounce of solution. So we're gonna need 2 1/4 ounces of the ACE 256 to mix with 4.5 gallons of water in order to fill this tank. So let's do that now. All right, so now the tank is full. I've powered it on to low power, pressed it 1 time. I have my gauge set finger tight, and I'm gonna spray down the entire bathroom. So now that we've cleaned, I've sprayed and disinfected, I'm gonna let that ACE 256 sit and let it dry on the surface. Now we can properly say, using the two-step method, that this bathroom has been cleaned and disinfected. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at anybody at Spruce. We're happy to help. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be safe.